Hey guys, this is Frosty8415 and I've got my camera person with me this morning. I bought this. This is a Cobra Road Scout Elite. It's a new radar detector. This is the packaging that it comes in. I've already opened the big box and got that out. So thought I'd do an unboxing here this morning. Oh man, this is so impressive. I mean, it really is so impressive. It comes in its own little carrying case with the Cobra emblem on it. Comes inside its own little carrying pouch. And it also comes with, this is actually a carrier for the SD card. The SD card is inserted into the system already for you. We're going to place this over here on the packaging. And I'm going to open it up. The reason I purchased this is it's integrated into, I guess, what they call the Cobra Cloud. But if you'll notice on the front, it has a camera. This is, I got it for, I think, 450 bucks. I got it from 450, 460. I got it from Best Buy. It has, the SD card is already inserted here, and it has the heavy duty SD card so that it will take the heat. It's actually a, let me get this out here. It's actually, if you can see this, it's a SanDisk Industrial 16 gigabyte card. This card is, it's for just for the heat that these things, because a lot of people will take them, they put them on, and they leave them. I mean, it's just there, you know, placed on the windshield. I don't plan on doing that. I do plan on taking it out. You hit this mark button when you see a cop. It'll mark. You get the option to stationary or mobile, and it sends it up and lets other people know that there is a cop in that area. This is a little box with the accessories in it that you use to connect it to the windshield. This is the suction cup. It's heavy. It is really heavy. I'm surprised. I mean, it's very heavy. The instructions say that this locks into the top of the, just like this. It's magnetic, so it helps lock it into place. Then you can adjust up or down. You also take this off. That's a protection for the seal. And then you can leave this on the windshield, and then when you get to wherever you're going, you can take this, leave it on the windshield, and disconnect this, and then put it into the glove box. It has a very high quality power cord. You can see here, it has, you can set it, you can mute it from down here. You don't have to reach up and keep fiddling with this thing to do it. It connects like with a telephone connection, or it's not really Ethernet. It's more of a telephone connection. This is really heavy, guys. I'm very impressed with this. It also has a USB here, and you have your auxiliary USB cord that you can use to connect it to your computer to download upgrades. So I'm very pleased with this. Once I get it installed into the car, or my truck, I will do another video on it and show you the setup. This is just more or less an unboxing. Man, they don't plan on you getting into this very easily. That's a nice long cord. I'll probably hook this up and actually download it, make sure I have the current firmware. And then when I get it hooked up in the car today or the truck, I'll do another video to show you what it looks like once it's installed. Guys, this is Frosty8415. I do appreciate you watching my videos. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe because it does help. I'm trying to build my channel. I'm trying to do more videos and get more involved in the YouTube. And again, this is Frosty8415. This is the Cobra Road Scout with the built-in camera. This is Frosty. I'm out.